No, no, no. Okay, fine. Here. You really do love it, huh? You shit. He really does love it, y'all. He really does love it, y'all. They give you a piece that. You really love it, bro. Oh, drop. He loves those cookies, doesn't he? He really does love those cookies. Look at him going, bro. You want some? He's hungry as hell. See, he's like, this is his dessert.